Imagine a world where you never have to choose between professional cinema quality and the freedom of flying without a license. For years, the sub 250-gram category was seen as the beginner's bracket. It was where you went if you wanted a toy or a simple hobby camera. But today, everything we thought we knew about small drones is being shattered. Welcome back to Educational Hub. If you've been holding off on buying a new drone, or if you're currently rocking a Mini 4 or the recently released Mini 5 Pro, you need to stop what you are doing. The leaks we are seeing for the upcoming DJI Mini 6 Pro are not just incremental updates. They represent a total hostile takeover of the professional drone market. We're talking about hardware that was, until now, physically impossible to fit into a palm-sized frame. The drone industry is currently in a state of shock because the Mini 6 Pro is rumored to be the first sub 250-gram drone to feature a true 1-inch stack CMOS sensor with a variable aperture. Let that sink in for a moment. For the first time ever, pilots in the US, the UK, and across Europe will be able to fly a drone that bypasses strict registration laws while delivering the same dynamic range as the massive Mavic 3 series. In this deep dive here at Educational Hub, we are breaking down the authentic hardware leaks, the revolutionary O5 transmission system, and the new AI-driven creative director that is going to change the way you film forever. The pricing strategy we have uncovered for the US market might be the biggest surprise of all. The heart of the Mini 6 Pro is the sensor. While the Mini 5 Pro brought us a 1-inch sensor, it was limited by a fixed aperture. The Mini 6 Pro is reportedly breaking that barrier. According to supply chain leaks from Shenzhen, DJI has managed to miniaturize the mechanical iris mechanism. We are looking at a variable aperture of f/1.7 to f/11. Why does this matter? If you're a Part 107 pilot or a high-end creator, you know the struggle of swapping ND filters every time the sun peeks through the clouds. With the Mini 6 Pro, you can control your exposure mid-flight. This allows for that perfect cinematic motion blur without the hassle of landing your drone every 10 minutes. This isn't just a mini drone anymore. It is a flying cinema camera. The processing power required to handle 5.1K video at 60 frames per second in a body this small is immense. DJI is expected to debut the Cine Core 4.0 image processing engine inside the Mini 6 Pro. This allows for 14 stops of dynamic range. This puts the drone neck and neck with professional ground cameras used in Hollywood. For those of you who demand the best color grading flexibility, the leaks confirm 10-bit DLG-M and HLG across all frame rates. This means your shots over the Grand Canyon or the Swiss Alps will have the highlight retention that was previously only possible with drones twice the size. Now, let's talk about the tech that is going to keep your investment safe. The Mini 6 Pro is rumored to take LiDAR technology and turn it up to 11. We are looking at 360-degree nightscape LiDAR. Most drones struggle with obstacle avoidance the moment the sun goes down. The Mini 6 Pro uses laser-based sensing to see in total darkness. Whether you're tracking a car through a forest at dusk or navigating urban canyons in New York City, this drone creates a real-time 3D map of its surroundings. It is virtually uncrashable. It works even in environments where traditional vision sensors would fail. Speaking of urban environments, the connection is everything. The new O5 transmission system is the headline feature for anyone living in high-interference areas. The leaks suggest that the Mini 6 Pro will utilize 5G cellular bonding alongside traditional radio frequency. This means that even if you're flying behind a skyscraper or in a dense city center, your 1080p 60 frames per second live feed will remain rock solid. For the US audience, this is a game changer for long-range reliability and safety. No more stuttering feeds or signal-lost heart attacks. But how long can it stay in the air? This is where the physics-defying part comes in. We have seen leaked images of a new high-density intelligent flight battery, Plus 2. While the standard battery keeps you under the magic 249-gram limit for about 38 minutes, the new Plus battery is rumored to push flight times toward a staggering 60 minutes. An hour of flight time from a drone this small was a pie. Dream 2 years ago. Now, it is becoming a reality. Imagine the time you will save not having to land and swap batteries every 20 minutes while you're trying to catch that perfect golden hour light. The intelligence of this drone is also getting a massive pro upgrade. DJI is reportedly integrating a dedicated NPU, or neural processing unit. This powers what they are calling the AI creative director. This isn't just basic active track. This is a system that understands cinematography. You can tell the drone to film a cinematic reveal of a mountain peak. The AI will calculate the optimal flight path, gimbal tilt, and zoom to create a shot that looks like it was filmed by a professional crew. For solo creators, this is like having a cameraman in your backpack. It is about understanding the art of the shot. Vertical shooting has been a staple of the Mini series, but the Mini 6 Pro takes it further. The new gimbal design is rumored to allow for a 225-degree rotation. This enables true vertical at 4K 60 frames per second without any cropping. It also allows for extreme low-angle shots that were never possible before. This is the ultimate tool for social media professionals who need high-resolution content for Reels, TikTok, and YouTube Shorts without sacrificing quality. So, when can you get your hands on it? Based on DJI's traditional release cycles and the current manufacturing leaks, we are looking at an official announcement in late 2026. The pricing is expected to remain premium but competitive. We anticipate the base unit to start around $899. The Fly More combo, including the new RC3 controller, will likely hit the $1,199 mark. While that might seem steep for a Mini, remember you aren't just buying a small drone. You are buying a Mavic 3 Pro that fits in your jacket pocket and doesn't require a permit to fly in most recreational areas. The DJI Mini 6 Pro represents a turning point in drone history. It is the moment where the Mini tag stops being a description of its capabilities and starts being a description of its convenience. With a 1-inch variable aperture sensor, 60-minute battery life, and uncrashable LiDAR safety, the competition is in a different league entirely. In my honest opinion, this is the most exciting tech release of the decade. Usually, we see small improvements in battery or camera resolution, but adding a variable aperture and 5G bonding to a sub-250-gram drone is a feat of engineering that shouldn't be possible. If you're serious about content creation, this drone will pay for itself in the first month. It removes every barrier between your vision and the final shot. If you found this deep dive helpful, make sure to subscribe to Educational Hub, share the video with your friends, and hit the bell icon so you never miss a tech update. We are constantly monitoring the supply chain to bring you the most authentic information first. If you're planning on buying a drone right now, my advice is to wait. The leap to the Mini 6 Pro is going to be the biggest generational jump we have ever seen. What feature are you most excited about? Is it the variable aperture or that massive battery? Drop a comment below and let's start a conversation. Thanks for watching Educational Hub, and I will see you in the next one when more leaks drop. The sky will never look the same. Stay tech savvy, and as always, keep flying. Educational Hub signing off.